Hello everyone, I am Mukul. I have done a project of security alarm. This security alarm works with Arduino GSM module and IR sensor. I have made this project as a part of learning my GSM module. Let's look how the security alarm works. This is an Arduino board, GSM module and an IR sensor. So when I send a message on to this SIM, it activates the door lock. So when someone opens the door, it gives us a call.